Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to leverage browser caching in WordPress. Let's get started. So it can actually help us direct traffic to our site using the caching that it actually gives to the users that visit our site. So in order to do that, we need to head over here to our search plugins and we need to add a new plugin. So let's search in here for WP fastest plugin or fastest cache. So let's just search for this particular plugin right here until you can see that. Here it is right here, WP Fastest Cache. So you can see in here if this particular product is supported on your site. If it's not supported, you can actually head over and then just click on it and then see what went wrong in order to actually install it. So you can see in here this installation option, and you can also see in here this install now. Just click on this install now right here. You just need to upload this on the plugins and add or grant permission. And as you can see, I have clicked this installed option and head over and click on activate right here. So once you have done that, this will activate this particular plugin to your store. And then this will store the browser caching in your WordPress. Once it's been added, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.